Hi guys, what we're watching today is the top 10 best P-pop girl group. So tara na, let's check this out together. Shout out nga pala to Miss Mojo for uploading this vid. Super appreciate it. Hey. Put in pa.
Welcome to Ms. Mojo, and today we're counting down our picks for the most impressive female bands making waves in the Pinoy pop world.
Top 10. Ibig sabihin, napakadami palang girl group dito sa atin. Marami na.
Number 10.
Oh.
This trio is uniquely placed in
Ngayon ko lang nalaman na there's a girl group called Arul.
trio
First time ko sila marinig.
Filipino-Japanese.
Mm.
Perform in both languages in addition to
Japanese sila.
English.
Oh, 2017 pa.
In 2017 as the five-member Jaff Dolls alongside fellow performers Ruri and Rika. Rika left the group in
Okay, let me list down the group names first since there are so many of them. I might forget and end up wala akong masabing thoughts mamaya.
changes. The core of our rules remained intact.
Ganun pala story nila.
Conceptually, the girls offer softness with an edge in their music, which is characterized by punchy rap and beautiful vocals. However, the lack of frequent releases may be disappointing for fans.
Parang J-pop inspired talaga sila. Yung vibe ay Japan. Naalala ko yung kanta nila kanina kinanta. Is Japanese yun. Sikat na kanta yun sa Japan. Yeah.
That was tailor-made for international appeal. Dion aims to connect with listeners all over the world with their music.
Oh. Dion. Yeah. Naalala ko ang Dion. I know this group.
Like Taylor Swift and
And nasa number 9 sila.
embracing a fierce
Naalala mo sila? Familiar ka sa kanila, di ba? Yeah.
hooks that are hard to get out of your head.
And familiar. Yes, yes. Kasi yung sound nila ay Blackpink inspired. Like for real. That's why I remember them agad when I first heard them before.
Break you down. Dion's discography is crowd-pleasing in the best way. However, their end goal is to be relatable to fans by sharing their stories through their art. So far, we'd say they're succeeding.
GIG number 8. Ayan. Yes, I know them too. May isang song ako na alam, pero I forgot the title. Maybe I mention, sila magme-mention di ako Kasi kapag nakita ko yon, maaalala ko yung title.
With potential.
First time I've seen them. Oh, it's your first time. Yeah.
Like SB,
One song lang naman yung alam ko. One song lang alam ko.
well-rounded performers. So it's no surprise
Sana ilagay dyan. Kasi sikat yung kanta na yun.
even writing their own
Oh,
songs.
really? Yes, maganda ang song na sinasabi ko.
YGIG's self-written debut track, Shaba Shaba, was a massive success, and the group followed it up with mass-appealing releases that expanded their presence in the industry. At this rate, it's only a matter of time before they go global.
Yes, this. Ito na yung song na sinasabi ko. I remember this kasi iba yung tunog niya. It is stood out talaga for me. Kalista. Bibi. Now it's Kalista na. Yung song kasi kanina yung Bibi. Okay. First time ko marinig sila. Kasi never. Okay, Kalista.
More importantly,
Ito.
moved artistically. As rookies, they stuck to tried and true pop formulas that ensured
Medyo maingay ang background na. Sorry naman.
now they're focused on creative expression, which comes through in tracks
Pause muna natin para
Say and Oops My Bad.
hindi maingay. Sige.
Not only have they found their own unique sound, but each member has also improved
4 members lang pala sila. Pero guys, their vocals. Ganda ng boses. Tapos ang gaganda pa. Yeah. Yara.
number 6.
First time din.
In an industry as competitive as P-pop, resilient
First time ko rin silang mamit. Ay, mamit agad. Ay, mamit na. Makilala. Ay, makita dito. Kung ano na sinasabi. Oh, that is Josh and Pablo.
Under Show BT Entertainment, but weren't able to debut. Without giving up, they participated in competition shows like Pinoy K-pop Star and Pop Pinoy, the latter of which they won.
2023.
By the time they debuted in 2023, they already had a fan base rallying behind
Astig
them.
ang
Needless to
kanilang
say,
mga
they did not disappoint.
itsura or their looks. Astig sila.
Since then, Yara has consistently delivered high-quality music, staying true to their empowerment.
Marami silang
Experimenting with genres
genre.
like pop, retro, R&B,
Oh,
and soul.
nag-experiment pala sila
Interesting
ng
to see
genre
what's
nila.
next.
Oh, wait. Number 5, Kaya. Of course naman, I know Kaya.
Kaya. When you
Number 5
consider
sila
the
deserve.
greats like SB19 and
Kaya was already featured here on the channel, guys. If interested kayo, check nyo na lang our past upload. Solid vocals talaga din nila.
we're obviously talking about Kaya. They
Like I said, it's amazing when a group know how to compose din. Alam ko, ang Kaya, nagko-compose sila ng song nila.
versatility to charisma.
Lalo na if members mismo yung gumagawa, di ba?
Kaya has
No?
it all.
Yeah. Alam ko, nagko-compose sila.
When it comes to performance, they're radiant and energetic, making them amazing live acts. If that wasn't commendable enough,
O, di ba? Nasabi rin ni
and
Miss Mojo.
to the lyrics of the song Walong Biroen. Sooner rather than later, they're going to break into the
Maganda ang performance nila sa Kusiko. Panoorin nyo din. Oh, number 4. MNLite 48. I've heard their name before, pero ngayon ko lang talaga sila nakita perform. Ang dami pala nila talaga, no? Narinig ko lang sila. Right, super dami talaga nila.
everyone.
And nakaka-impress naman how they perform as one big group, di ba? Mahirap mag-perform ng marami kayo. Yeah.
AKB48's Filipino counterpart, MNL48, is one of them. Known for their mighty vocal prowess and flawless performances, these lovely ladies have captivated fans worldwide while inspiring
Wow.
the country. Their brand of pop is bubbly, cheerful, and uplifting, but far from forgettable. Thanks to the love MNL48 has received, they've paved the way for Filipino idols, both male and female, and are respected as pioneers in the P-pop idol world.
G22, of course. Kilala natin yan. Favorite natin sila. Ang gaganda, ang gagaling. Tapos may mga videos na rin tayo sa channel
Title
for them din. Kung gusto nyo makita, panoorin nyo na lang din. Yung upload ni Miss Mojo super fresh pala, no?
range of femininity
Yeah.
in their discography. They take the boss babe concept seriously, and not just in terms of aesthetics. Their music carries strong messages of female empowerment, and they proudly stand up for women's rights through their platform. On the other hand, they also tap into the tenderness of women in love. This range extends to musical genres and visual concepts too. Their R&B numbers
Yes, ayan. Napakabago ng papalaban.
and you'll see them rocking a
Ayan, isa pa. Compose ni Pablo.
Y2K1. To put it simply,
Limitless.
Y2 makes it really easy to become a fan.
Oh, Fourth Impact.
Fourth Impact. The success of this group
Another favorite. And
blood, sweat,
if gusto nyo pa ng more content, we have bits of them.
performance of
Ang galing nila, and siblings pa sila. Magkakapatid sila.
Bang Bang on the X Factor.
Usually sa siblings, may isa na medyo di ganun ka-powerful yung voice, di ba? Pero, not with Fourth Impact. Pantay-pantay lahat may powerhouse vocals.
2001.
Nagigets mo ba yung sinasabi ko? Pantay-pantay sila.
Them all over
Yeah.
the world. The members boast some of the strongest vocals in the industry.
What I admire about them is they don't just perform. They also involve sa songwriting din. May creative input talaga sila.
They've already made their US debut with the song Distorted and have fans worldwide. From what we can see, an even brighter chapter for Fourth Impact is in the offing.
Magagaling talaga ang Fourth Impact.
Before we continue, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos.
binitin pa tayo sa number 1. Pero parang alam ko naman ang number 1. Pero hindi ko sasabihin. And yes, ayan. Yun yung sinasabi ko. Number 1 is Bini. Sobrang deserve naman nila. They active so much with Bini and marami tayong content for them too. Kaya pwede nyo bisitahin yung aming channel para mapanood nyo. Galit ka? No. Pantropiko kasi nagsimula sa kanila, diba? Pantropiko. And sobrang ganda naman talaga ng Pantropiko. And wow, diba? Nasa Forbes din sila.
For 2025, it was hardly a surprise, but an incredible recognition of their impact nonetheless. As modern Filipinos,
Maganda rin ang pangalan na napili nila. Bini.
their culture to the world,
Talaga nire-represent nila ang Philippines.
League of their
Bini. Aha.
Which of these P-pop girl groups
Ay, tapos na.
for? Let us
Sige, mauna ako. Okay, go. This list was such a great reminder of how diverse and talented the P-pop scene is. I love seeing both new and familiar groups grow and bring something different. What stands out most to me is when the members contribute creatively, especially in songwriting. That's a big side of growth and in artistry. And yes, I totally support naman Bini being number 1. They're consistent, hardworking, and super talented. Overall, these videos just made me more excited about the future of K-pop. And how about you?
Me, ito marami. Starting off the list are Rose in the top 10. This was my first time seeing or hearing about this trio. And I was impressed to learn their Filipino-Japanese. They used to be 5 members dati pala. At nagre-branding. Kaya Arrows yung group nila. And even after someone left, they continue as a group. Di na sila nagpalit ng name. Their music, parang Japanese pop vibe. Sa number 9 is Dion. I'm already somewhat familiar with them since we've reacted to them dati. Their sound reminds me of a mix between 21 and Blackpink. Sabi mo kanina, di ba? And I can confidently say, they have beautiful voices. They really sing. Sa 8 is YGIG. This is the first time I've seen them. And I found out they used to be under the same company as SB19. What's amazing is they also wrote their own song. That's really impressive kasi it shows how hands-on they are with their album. Even though I only heard a short clip, their songs already sounds like bangers. At sa number 7 is Kalista. This also my first time seeing them. They have a great voices and their music has that bass boosted feel to it. Diba?
Yeah.
Number 6, Ciara. I've heard of this group before. And it turns out they were also part of SB19's former company. Their sound reminds me of Blackpink din. At they're clearly a strong dancer. Nakikita ko. They're such a vibrant and colorful P-pop group. At sa number 5 is Kaya. We just recently reacted to them. At ang masasabi ko is really all about vocals. Their harmonization is on point and they also take part in writing their songs, which is impressive. At sa number 4, Manila 48, I heard about them, but I haven't really watched them yet. There are so many members in the group that they don't even need a backup dancer. They already fill the stage themselves. Yung sound nila para sa akin, J-pop vibe din. At sa number 3, syempre, we know them well. They're known for their strong vocals and stunning visuals. And I personally really love their sound. As a number 2 is Sport Impact. As a dreamer, yes, I believe they truly deserve this spot. They're incredibly talented, but still underrated. Despite that, di ba, they never give up. Now they're holding concerts and slowly getting the recognition they long deserve. And finally, at number 1 is Beanie. I have nothing more to say about this group. They absolutely deserve their success. Everything they achieve is because of their talent.